ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯁꯅꯥꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯀꯪꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟ ꯃꯤꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯦꯛꯄꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖꯦꯁ ꯐꯤꯆꯔꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯖꯩ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯖꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯊꯪꯅꯥꯎ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯅꯥꯎ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟ ꯗꯤꯛꯁꯅꯥꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯅꯩꯅꯖꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯖꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯦꯖ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 28ꯅꯤ ꯂꯃꯥꯏ 19 ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖꯦꯁ ꯐꯤꯆꯔꯁ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯊꯪꯅꯥꯎ page number 28 Meeteilol dictionary 120 suba wahida masigi mamangda legiba wahi singdi mamangi upload tawbuda yawjakhre 120 suba wahida kapoi mingta noun hai makhal ama English harga pomegranate a kind of fruit. This is 120 words. Kapoi mingta noun hai makhal ama. In English, the name of kapoi is pomegranate, a kind of fruit. Then next, 121 suba wahida. Sangkumato suba wahida. Krak. Adjective mingti adjective yamna sekshinba. Condition of being too much strict. Again, 121 word. Krak, mingtik yai. Adjective. In Meeteilol, yamna sekshinba. This is the pronunciations of Meeteilol written in English alphabet. This is the meaning of in English of krak. That is condition of being too much strict. Makhataba nainadringaida masda yauriba me asigi matangda amu hajeramge. Before studying the following words. Now let us see, this is the map of Manipur. Manipur is a state of India present in the northeastern side of India. Meeteilol is the state language of Manipur. Meeteilol is also known as Manipuri language. And Manipur is a state of India. Manipur becomes a state of India before merger to India in 15 October 1949. Manipur become sovereign independent country in the world. Makhataba what hajirake krak lakpa thokta bhav yamna sekshinba condition of being too much strict, to be very tight. 122 suba wahida. From this we know that 122 words. In Meeteilol, krak lakpa. In English alphabet, the pronunciations of Meeteilol is krak lakpa. In English grammar, this is verb in Meeteilol thokta. Yamna sekshinba. In Meeteilol yamna sekshinba. In Meeteilol's pronunciation but written in English alphabet. Then in English meaning condition of being too much strict, to be very tight. This is the meaning in English. Then again 123 word. Krak lauba. Masina English mayekta iba Meeteilolgi khontoduni krak lauba haiba wai asigi. Mingtik yai adjective krak lauba. Kadrak lauba. Habidi krak lauba habsi kainabda kadrak lauba. English ki spelling da Meeteilol gi khoto semu kadrak kadrak lauba. To clatter. Nin khongba khonjel makhal ama. English ki wahanthokta a kind of noisy sound. Nin khongba khonjel makhal ama. Sina English mekte ithokba Meeteilol gi khonthok aduni. This is 123 word. In Meeteilol, krag krag lauba. In English alphabet, the pronunciations of Meeteilol is krag krag lauba. In English grammar adjective, but in Manipuri it is called mingtik yai. That is, adjective is called mingtik yai in Meeteilol. Krag krag lauba means kadrak kadrak lauba. The pronunciation written in English alphabet is kadrak kadrak lauba. The meaning in English is to clatter. That is, krag krag lauba means to clatter. Nin khongba khonjel makhal ama. A kind of noisy sound. Nin khongba khonjel makhal ama. Then, makha tarpa oina Meeteilol gi wahai sing asi English ta ithokpa matamda karam karamba Meetei meki meka sani haibado amu makha taba nene jerake. The following discussion is how to write Meeteilol language in English alphabet. That is, how to represent the English pronunciation by Meetei mek. Let us discuss now. Meeteilol Yechelol Meeteilol spelling. Asterisk number 1, yeah, asterisk number 1. Here, habsi kaino rising toni mase English ta iugo bane. Habsi pabi khantokti un. Ada jide lum hap targa di mase falling toni. Masi kariga mane o ga mane. Ana pabi khantokti unlum. Masang da asterisk 1 oblique 1 sida lauba habigi matang sida amon hajarake lauba in English alphabet lauba. Thokta bhab khongba. This is the meaning of lauba. Khongba, to cry, to exclaim, to shout. This is the meaning in English of lauba. Next, asterisk 1 oblique 2 lauba. Here the difference between this lauba and the lauba, this is the rising tone and this is the falling tone. Lum is added at the right side of lauba, falling tone. Lauba, mingtik yai, adjective, pakpa, khudaba, why? Nota asterisk number 2 is the kuba, thokta bhav. Low kuba, to cuff. Next, asterisk number 3 the kuba, thokta bhav, kuba. This is the falling tone. I will say that yet the lum habibji urapta mase falling tone oibrani. Anu sida the kuba hai thokta mi bhav ni kuba, to clap, strike palms loudly together. Anapada yellow be yavan marabna yen consensu adum tabani mayang waru viganu. Channel asigi maming Manipur languages pieces haina kaujai hojikti ngasigi oinadi matangaste loichinja nabam matam yarotle. Channel asigi maming Manipur languages pieces haina kaujai. Channel asibu hanba yengba oi ragadi channel si subscribe to view awat apa habiru comment kaya ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯅ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯟꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯑꯞꯂꯣꯗ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯎꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯌꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯟꯖꯦꯜ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ